Hi, welcome to my channel. I would like to share with you today this wing pattern I have made recently. This is gonna be my first tutorial on YouTube, how to crochet something. So I hope you'll enjoy watching and making this. Let's begin. I have here my yarn. I'm gonna use Alize Baby Best, and my hook is 3 millimeters. We will start making a magic ring and 7 single crochets in it, and I will make sure to write in the description the whole pattern as well. You will be able to download it as a PDF from my coffee shop as well if you desire. I will post it as well on Instagram, so there will be many channels for this. After making the 7 single crochets in the magic ring, I like to do a slip stitch to finish the ring. And now we will increase in all. So 7 increases, which will result in 14 single crochets for the second row. Now we are done with the second row. We will do 2 single crochets now. So 1 and 2. We will make an increase here. 1, 2, 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. Now you want to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And in the chains, starting from the second chain, 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. We will make the next stitch, the next single crochet, in the same last single crochet you made in the base. So if you have seen, if you do the single crochet in the next one, there's going to be a hole, so it's better to do it in the previous base stitch. So 5 single crochets. We will do an increase. Yes. And 2 single crochets. Now chain 1 and turn. You will do 11 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Chain 3. Starting from the second chain of the hook, do 2 single crochets, and then it's best to turn your work and do 11 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, my yarn got tangled here. 9, 10, 11. So there will be a total of 13 here. Chain 1 and turn. You'll do 13 single crochets. Mm. 11, 12, 13, and chain 3. In the second chain from the hook, 2 single crochets, turn the wing and make 13 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, chain 1 and turn. You'll do 15 single crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now chain 3. In the second chain from the hook, we'll do 2 single crochets, (15 single crochets), 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now 8 single crochets down the side, so we will finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2 slip stitches. Now you can fasten off and the wing is done. You can use any type of yarn you'd like, any type of hook. It's just based on your preference and how big or small you want the wing. I think it's pretty adjustable. You can keep going on based on the pattern. It's pretty easy. So yeah, I hope you like it and thank you for watching.